Passage 1. Bug-eating countries. In the United States, bugs are often thought of as a nuisance, and it is no surprise why. They ruin plants, destroy houses, scare people, and sometimes even hurt people. In many places outside the United States, however, bugs are viewed differently. In many countries, including Thailand, Mexico, Ghana, and France, entomophagy is common and embraced. For people in those countries, bugs provide a delicious snack or an entire meal. Sometimes bugs are cooked in a certain way and then viewed as a delicacy. Thailand. People in Thailand are no strangers to eating bugs. In many cities, including Bangkok, it is not hard to find carts piled high with freshly cooked insects. Most of the bugs they sell have been deep fried to a crisp and then heavily coated with seasonings. An insect cart in Thailand often includes 5 to 10 different choices. The people of Thailand love purchasing these bugs to snack on. To them, it's as tasty as popcorn to Americans. One of the country's most loved snacks is jing lead, which is deep-fried cricket that has been seasoned with a light sauce and pepper. Other favorites include bamboo worms, silkworms, fried grasshopper, and water bugs. This is a picture of a street vendor in Thailand scoops silkworms into a bag for American tourists to try. Mexico. Mexico has a large variety of edible insects. The most common edible bug eaten in Mexico is chapulines or grasshoppers. These bugs are often deep fried and then seasoned with salt, lime, and chili. Chapulines are typically eaten as a snack, but they can also be used to enhance a meal. For example, they can be sprinkled on top of fried eggs, or they can be used to make a flavorful taco. Chapulines are so popular that they can be purchased on Amazon. A small bag costs about $8, and so far it has many good reviews. Another type of edible bug that is eaten in Mexico is guanos or maguey worms, which are said to taste like French fries. Chicatana are really big red ants with wings that can be found in Oaxacan. Locals roast the fat red ants in a pan with lime, getting rid of their heads and wings. Then they grind them into a paste with chili, salt, and garlic and spread it liberally onto a tortilla. This is a picture of chapulines for sale at a food market in Mexico City, Mexico, eaten as a snack. Ghana. In Ghana and many other African countries, there are people who have to eat edible insects to survive. The bugs they eat include termites, grasshoppers, and dung beetles. But there is one edible bug that is becoming more popular in Ghana, whether you're poor or not. Aspire, a food company, is teaching people how to farm and sell the palm weevil larvae, which are full of protein and iron. Anemia is very common in Ghana, so these nutritious bugs are helping many people. Families in Ghana like to fry them or eat them in a soup. France. Le Festin Nous, a restaurant in Paris, France, is a bistro that serves insects on the menu. El Daveron, the head chef, imports grasshoppers, beetles, and water scorpions from Thailand. When the insects arrive, Daveron opens up the sealed packages and uses the bugs to make fancy dishes. Then he sells them for between $9.50 and $12.50. Daveron's customers doubled just after a week of serving insects. There is a glossary, so you will notice that some of the words were in bold print. So at the top, the word nuisance means something that is inconvenient or annoying. Entomophagy is the practice of eating bugs. Delicacy is a food that is special and often expensive. Anemia is a blood condition where the amount of red blood cells in a person's blood is low. It is often caused because the body is not getting enough iron, which is found in meat, beans, and leafy greens.